So now let's jump to Canva Editor Window, which is where the most of the work happens. Okay. So generally I spend, if I'm working in a Canva for let's say 1 hour, hardly 2 minutes is what I spend in home screen. Whatever I correct till now, it's just a matter of 2 minutes. I straight away jump to the Canva editor. Custom size 1080 cross 1080 is what I generally use it. So that is there in recent. Just click on it. So this is the Canva editor window. Straight away, the best advice I could give is, like, whenever you are in this editing window, the first thing is just check whether it is of same size. Of course, it will be same size, but as a designer, it is a responsibility to check the size. Okay, because after, of course, we have a resize option as well, but it is again an additional work. Okay, so check whether it is 1080 plus 1080. Click on it, save it, give a name. For example, design with, yes, a good name, right? Okay, fine. So first name it. Okay, now let's see what all is there. Top bar mostly will be not utilized using it. Okay, just the file, home, magic switch occasionally, and undo will be generally using the shortcut Control Z. Okay, and this button I use it. I see it very often. Okay, this button is very important. The cloud and tick mark. Why it is Canva is an online platform. Okay, of course there is a Canva app which you can do offline editing as well, but mostly most of the members use it online. Okay, and there might be internet disruption as well. Okay, anytime the internet may go down. So when it goes down, okay, this will be not in tick mark. Okay, there will be some other into mark will be showing over here. So always have a check in this whether your document is getting saved. Okay, it has a Canva inbuilt has a auto save options. Like auto save, it used to do frequent intervals. Auto save will be done, but if there is an internet disruption, internet connection is lost, then the save would have not happened. So if you keep on designing stuffs, then the end results, the file might not be saved, and you couldn't export it as well. Yeah, the final design. So have a close look on this button as well. Yeah. This is the work window, generally a work window. Okay, so there are two buttons. One is add page and duplicate page. What is the difference between add page and duplicate page? For example, let's say, okay, now I'm telling you one shortcut T. T is a shortcut for text. Okay, yeah. Now let's say config. Okay, so let me explain what is the difference between add page and add page and what you call duplicate page. So when you add page, we are going to get a blank screen. But if it is a duplicate page, we'll be getting what is there in the first page and second. Repeated. Okay, of course from the name it is very clear, but just for the person who getting confused, we get confused with the silly things. Yeah, that's why I'm explaining it here. And I used to get confused here. Why we need two buttons, but this is the reason. And then we got a different button, like move up and down. Yeah. We can, when we are using a video, when we are using a GIF, when we are making a PPT with this, we generally don't make PPT with square. But when you are making this, you can move up and down. Reorder is what we used to do with the up and down arrow. Hide page is again same. When you are presenting, this page will be hidden. Yeah, now you can see it. Okay, page is hidden, but when you are presenting it, this page will be not shown. Yeah, that is a major thing. Yeah, and lock, you can lock it. Yeah, cannot do any changes over there. It is locked. Right, this will be definitely helpful when you are making a PPT file. Unlock it. Same duplicate page, delete page. Yeah, let's delete. Let's have only one page. Yeah, so the simple toolkit. Of course, whatever option is shown here, it will be here as well. Okay, but when you click on this, the top has gone, right? So now here add page. Yeah. And then if you want to duplicate page, for example, T. So what I have done to duplicate is Control D is a shortcut for duplicating the page. Okay, and let me undo Control Z, Control D. For example, select this page, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. It is duplicated 6 times. Yeah, let's select all. Shift and click will select all. Delete it. Understood? Then this is the grid view. This view will again be generally useful when you're having a more number of slides and you need to reorder it. Okay, so that's how we use the grid view. So just click again to get close the grid view. Okay, and then we have the zoom window, which will be definitely helpful when you are working precisely on something. For